Hi there everybody, it's Linnea, and today I have a product reveal video for you from the Whimsy Stamps October 10th release. So this is the Gnome for the Holiday stamp set. This has 3 different little gnomes, and then there are 11 different words that you can put together to create different sentiments. So for sizing, the little gnome with the stocking is 3 inches by 2 inches. The one with the lights is 2 by 3 inches. The one with the tree is 3 3/4 inches by 1 3/4 inches. So these are cute little images, but they will still be they're large enough to be the prominent image on your card or your holiday tag. So this is a holiday tag that I created, and I used the Gnome for the Holidays stamp set, as well as the new bookmark and tag die. This Gnome for the Holidays 4x6 stamp set is just adorable, and I love all the sentiments that you can create. For my project, I put together I'll be Gnome for Christmas, but you can switch that up with all of those 11 word sentiments that are on this stamp set. Thank you all for watching this product reveal video. This product is now available in the Whimsy Stamps shop. Happy shopping!